Hey, what's up everybody? Lone Camper here. So just a quick update on what I did this week. I finished putting in all the frames for the for the wall, so that way I could get started on the roof. Before I got started on the roof, I just patched up some of the holes on the exterior of the camper, just, filling it in and whatnot. And then after that, I went and picked up a lot of 0.52 millimeter birch wood, 8 pieces, and brought it back to the storage unit I'm at. And then started, it was just, they were 8x4 or 4x8s, and then just started fitting. Let's see, I got 2 fitted up, and then like on the camper by the end of this week, or as of today. Just been measuring, cutting, and then using Thompson's water seal on it just to give it just a little bit of waterproofing power behind it. I'm still gonna put silicone paint on it. I tested it with the Thompson's water seal with the silicone paint, and it does pretty well, so yeah, I'm going to continue with that. Like I said, I got 2 of them on. I'll go into detail on a later video on how I did it and what I did, but yeah, that's it. See you guys for now.